Ready? Our loaded Polish dog. Come over here. Got some mayonnaise. We got mustard. Oh, that is not coming out cute. That's okay. And we're gonna hit it with some ketchup. We're gonna hit it with some barbecue sauce. This is my favorite thing on a Polish dog. Get some good old barbecue sauce. Then we're gonna hit it with some relish. Just a little bit. We don't need a lot. We're gonna hit it with some of this garlic. Ooh, that look good already, huh? And then we're gonna put this on here. This nice, freshly grilled Polish dog. Look at that. You see that? That look good on that flavor. And then, what's wrong with the tongue? I'm gonna edit that shit out. And then we're gonna hit it with some peppers. Some jalapenos. And there you go.